Hey guys, I'm absolutely pumped to be here talking to you today. I've been invited down by Rachel from Green Goodness Co to share with you the first of many upcoming masterclass series that they have. And this one is focusing on social media and predominantly Facebook marketing. So we've got this event coming up, it's on the 15th of May. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. And the best thing that I love about Green Goodness Co is they bring in world-class experts to help you, the wellness professionals and the wellness businesses of Perth and Australia, to really grow and prosper. So this one is going to be all about social media and predominantly Facebook. So whether you're a beginner, then this is for you. Whether you're someone who's already running Facebook marketing, Facebook advertising, this is for you. We're going to give you some world-class strategies on how you can implement small things into your business that are going to make a big difference. And our aim is, whether you're just starting out, we want to help you get your first 10 clients. Whether you're already existing, we want to help you get 10 new clients the next week. So that's really what this is all about. And I also want to share with you our world-class 4-step process. It's very simple, but a 4-step process to convey your message to your audience so that they connect with you, because that's the most important thing, is having that connection. You can have a great product, you can sell the best juice, you can have the best yoga class, but if you don't connect with your audience, then nothing's going to happen from it, nothing's going to come from it. So that's why we put together this amazing masterclass, and it's going to be an amazing day, so please register below and I hope to see you on the day.